Okay, our last step for the dog. We want to put the arms and the legs on. First thing I'm going to do is take a little of this Johnson's paste wax. And it's best if you put paste wax in here. That helps the head to slide more. So periodically you want to do that. It helps it to slide. You can also put a little bit around the base of the head here. You can see that helps it slide back and forth a lot easier. Okay, arms and legs. Okay, we've got our body that we made. Got a hook in here for the rubber band. There's a hook here for the rubber band. So, and the seat, we have the seat is padded. So we're going to take the legs first. We're going to attach the legs at the front. There's the first leg. There's the second leg. So now we have our legs. I'm going to do the same with the arms. The arms will go on the sides here. Fold that over a little bit. And fold this one under a little bit on this side. Make sure you get your staples there going in. We'll do one more on this side for the other arm. Tuck this one under a little bit. So now we have our arms and our legs. So we have our feet. So we're going to fold this. This is 2 inches up here for the leg. That's 2 inches there. This is 8 inches from here to here, 8 inches from here to here, and that left about 5.5 inches for either feet, or you can stuff it if it's going to wear shoes. Put this in here, about 2 inches. And then we'll staple this on. And I'm out of staples. fold this over in the back, make it a nice tight fit around. So there we have one foot. Now the other one, we're going to roll this up some. Staple this. Then on the back side, I'm going to fold this over so it's a nice tight fit. Okay, so now we have our feet for our dog. And we have our hands, or our paws. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to roll this up underneath a little bit. That's just so it doesn't fray on you. Take our paw, and I want to make it curved with the body. And again, we're about 2 inches down. Roll this over so it fits tight on there. And then there's our paw. We'll do the same for the other side. Up where we want it. And we'll take this side and roll it over. So we have a nice tight fit. Now we have our body. Paws and our feet. Next thing we want to do is we want to attach our head. And you're going to take your rubber band. Hook it there and here. This helps keep your head from falling off on you while you're using it. And there's our body. Got your feet and your hands. All you need now is to decide what kind of clothes you want to put on him. If you enjoy my videos, please click like and subscribe to my YouTube page. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.